되게 차가워. 바닥에太忙。
有聲啊，一直係咁啊。
即係咩嚟㗎？
黑人啊，核武啊嘛。Susan, you're here.
Oh, you're here. No, just use your common sense. Hey, you can.
Sorry, but nobody's
I'm here, Susan.
No, but nobody's looking at me, that's why. No, but
Invisible.
so
Actually, you can use your common sense to answer the question. You don't have to according to some other information. Just your common sense. Why? You know, thinking about that children is normal thing. You can use the common sense to answer questions. And also, I think Wei will help us.
For what?
He's so powerful, but he.
I will destroy your life.
你都玩嘢㗎你嚇？
我哋其實 Kelvin TV 同阿
你講唔差啲。
唔緊要啊，佢反正佢哋對佢聲嘅。
你哋當拖到發聲嗰時，記得問對。
大家輪轉啦。
Okay, guys,
一定雞幫翻自己
you need to settle again, please. And now we're down to 90 seconds for the refutation for each team. And they're going to go backwards in reverse order. So Hayden needs to start preparing your courage there for a minute.
Hayden.
So you only have 90 seconds. This will go really fast. 90 seconds. You're gonna have 90 seconds.
We have still have the 30 seconds between the minute and 10 seconds.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I will show you this. 1 minute, yeah, okay, 30 seconds.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Okay, so is everybody ready? Okay.
So my opponent said that nuclear weapon is very destructive, extremely destructive. But we can see that and in the Second World War, and American used the nuclear bomb. They killed thousands of people, of course, hundreds of thousands of people, of course. But in the Second World War, there are totally over millions of people died in Second World War, and they are caused by traditional force. And we can see that actually traditional force kill more people than nuclear bomb, and also the buildings are also destructed by dropping bombs. And so, if we own nuclear weapons, then no one want to invade our country. Then actually there's no war will be started. Then where's the destruction actually? There won't be any destruction initiated. Only if
I thought you were getting ready to say something really good. But oh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Okay.
My opponent said that the nuclear weapon will bring peace. We think that this point of view is a destruction of truth because people, countries who possess the nuclear weapon will not make any effort to make peace because they think that they have something to fight. So why they gonna make a peace with another country? They possess all the material to fight. That's why we think that a nuclear bomb cannot bring any peace in any country. We also think that why this peace, there is not evident peace because of the nuclear weapon possession. That's why we think that it's not a good idea that the nuclear weapon will bring a peace in our country.
Thank you for your answer.
At least 30 seconds.
Here my opponent said that why we before didn't use this nuclear weapon, but now we are using because of technology. And this technology help us prevent war, as we are saying before, because of having this possessing nuclear power. Not any country will fight it, and this is not fair that one country have nuclear weapon, but other countries don't have. And also, my opponent said that it brings more effects to human health, but human health is suffering not because of nuclear weapon, because it happened just one time. It's already gone, and still that happened many times. It happened more than 50 years, but people still suffering from health. So this is not exactly correct that people suffering and they have health problem because of nuclear weapon. And they also said that some big cities, New York and Hong Kong, may be pushed away because of this nuclear weapon. It may be or can be pushed away, but there is evidence that it will be pushed away. Don't use it, so you will be okay.
My opponent said that political power comes from having nuclear weapons. Is that? Sorry. My opponent said that political power comes from nuclear weapons, but that idea is not valid anymore. Possession of a nuclear weapon is on kind of outdating mainly symbol because we are living in the era which the era that the Cold War is over. I have a clear example. Countries like Germany, Spain, and Australia, they don't have any nuclear weapons, but they are still treated as a popular nation, and they are strong in the world. Anybody in the world knows those countries are very powerful, still very powerful, even though they don't have any nuclear weapons. Do you think those countries don't know nuclear to keep their safety? okay, we need nuclear weapons to keep our people's safety? I don't think so. Do you think they can't afford to have their own nuclear powers? I don't think so. That's why nuclear weapons should be banned. It is not necessary to exist in this planet anymore.
My opponent says that nuclear weapons cause a lot of damage. And why there is so much damage all over the world? Because nuclear weapons were used. But I think because there is no balance of nuclear technology, if people want to keep the peace all over the world, I think every country should possess nuclear weapons. For example, during the war, as you said that Japan was damaged by nuclear weapon by the United States. In that period, because the United States was the only country that they had nuclear weapon, so they are all using it to Japan. If Japan had nuclear weapons at that moment, I believe that the United States would not use it. Yeah. So this is the balance of nuclear weapon. As I said, everyone can truly do not take nuclear weapons away from countries that they already have. So from this point, I think it's hard to take away nuclear weapons from the United States. So I think every country should possess nuclear weapons to keep the world peace.
Thank you.
So as my opponent says that nuclear weapons can show political power or stronger than other nations.
Yes.
So the purpose for nuclear weapons is to keep your country safe, right? But the US has the most nuclear weapons in the world, but it cannot enable the Americans to have a peaceful life. The 911 would be the perfect example. I mean, can nuclear weapons stop terrorism? No, definitely not. And also the idea that nuclear weapons can keep the world in peace is really weak, ridiculous, and funny. I mean, having nuclear weapons is just like having a bomb in your own house. Does anybody believe that the family in Calgary has a bomb in their family will make the city safer? I don't think so. And I don't think that you guys will agree with this kind of view. Since having a bomb cannot enable any family, enable the city become safer, so how can nuclear weapons make the world more peaceful? And also my opponents implies that having nuclear weapons can enable you to have a more chance to win in the war. But I mean, in the war, there is no winner. Everyone participated in the war a loser. Always be aware that negotiation is the only way to solve problems. Violence can never solve any problems at all, but only to make them worse. So our idea is that nuclear weapons is just like the Pandora's box. We can never open it. So it should be totally banned. Thank you.
Thank you.